Do you want to connect yourself with nature now, immediately, wherever you are, wherever you're holding your phone? Come outside with me on this morning, walking through the frost. Just imagine being here. Just imagine your feet touching the grass, feeling the earth. Wherever you are, you can do this. You can travel with your mind. Just imagine walking over this grass and freedom. Feel your head connected to the sky, the feet connected to the ground, your lungs breathing in the air. Feel what is around you. There is some nature around you too.